Hi guys, Carl here from Wallace Tech, and we are taking a quick look at Huawei's newest phone in town, the Huawei Nova 9 SE. We have one unit here from Huawei Philippines with a crystal blue color, and it's the first device from the brand to sport a rear camera setup with a huge megapixel count to boot. So we cut the seal at the side and open it out, and we see the phone itself wrapped in plastic. Nice looking back, by the way. We also have the SIM card tray ejector tool, a clear TPU case, a USB Type-C cable, and a 66-watt charger. There are no papers in our unit such as the warranty card and the manual, but expect it to be present in the retail units arriving locally. Right at the front, we have a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus display with a 16-megapixel selfie camera cut out at the top middle part. The volume keys and the caved power and lock button, which also acts as the fingerprint scanner, is at the right side. At the bottom, we have the USB Type-C port along with the microphone and the bottom-firing loudspeaker, while the dual nano SIM card is at the top along with the grill for the call speaker. Unlike previous Nova phones we've seen, this offers an almost flat surface which makes it easy to grip even for longer periods of time. The back part features a crystal blue gradient that offers a bursting refraction design from the protruding oval camera which houses the rear camera setup. This is Huawei's first phone to sport a quad camera setup. One of those is a 108 megapixel camera for bigger photos. This phone also offers EMUI 12 based on open-sourced Android 11. No Google services still, but most of the top used local apps are already available for download at the Huawei App Gallery. The Nova 9 SE will be available starting this month for 13,999 pesos and comes with a free Huawei FreeBuds 4i as a pre-order freebie starting later this week. Our full review is available online at wallacetech.com, so be sure to check it out. Thanks for watching this quick hands-on, and be sure to follow or subscribe for more. Until next time.